What if I told you your dog doesn't actually see you as a human, not as a person, not as an equal, and definitely not the way you see yourself in the mirror? In your dog's world, you are something else entirely. And once you understand what that something is, everything about your dog's behavior, loyalty, obedience, even those weird habits will suddenly make perfect sense. So the real question is, what are you to your dog? We humans love to believe our dogs see us as their best friend, family, maybe even their owner. But here's the truth. Dogs don't think like humans. They don't categorize the world using human labels. Instead, they see everything, including you, through instinct, survival, and pack dynamics. And in that system, you are not human. You are a role, a very important one. To understand how your dog sees you, you first need to step into their mind. Dogs are descendants of wolves. Even after thousands of years of domestication, their core psychology is still built on pack structure. In a pack, every member has a role. Leader, caregiver, follower, companion. There is no concept of species difference the way humans think. Your dog doesn't sit there thinking, oh, that's a human and I'm a dog. Instead, they think, what role does this being play in my life? And that's where things get interesting. For many dogs, especially those raised from puppyhood, you are something very close to a parent. Think about it. You provide food, you offer protection, you create structure, you comfort them when they're scared. To your dog, this mirrors exactly what a mother dog does. That's why your dog follows you everywhere. That's why they look at you when they're unsure. That's why your approval matters more than anything. In their mind, your safety. But here's the catch. If you act inconsistent, distant, or unpredictable, that parent figure image starts to crack, and your dog becomes confused, anxious, or even disobedient. Now, this is where many owners get it wrong. Your dog doesn't automatically see you as the leader. You have to earn that role. In a dog's world, a leader is not loud or aggressive. A true leader is calm, confident, consistent. If you set clear rules and follow them every single day, your dog starts to see you as the one in charge. But if you let them break rules, sometimes reward bad behavior, act nervous or unsure, then your dog may think, I guess I'm the one in charge. And that's when problems begin. Pulling on the leash, ignoring commands, barking excessively, not because your dog is bad, but because they believe they're leading the pack. In some cases, your dog may see you simply as a companion and equal member of their pack. This usually happens when there's no clear structure, training is inconsistent, boundaries are unclear, your dog enjoys being with you, they love your presence, but they don't necessarily respect or rely on you. This is why some dogs only listen when they feel like it, ignore commands, and distracting environments, treat training like a game instead of something serious. You're not their leader, you're just a buddy. And while that sounds cute, it often leads to frustration for both of you. Here's the powerful part most people don't realize. Your dog doesn't see you as just one role. You are actually a mix of parent, leader, companion. The balance between these roles determines your dog's behavior. If you lean too much into being just a friend, you lose authority. If you try to be too controlling without trust, you lose connection. But when you combine care, parent, structure, leader, bonding, companion, that's when your dog becomes loyal, obedient, emotionally secure. Now, think about this. Every time your dog ignores you, misbehaves, acts anxious, it's not random. It's a reflection of how they see you. If your dog doesn't listen, maybe they don't see you as a leader. If your dog is clingy or anxious, maybe they rely on you as a parent but lack confidence. If your dog treats commands like suggestions, maybe they see you as just a companion. Understanding this changes how you respond. Instead of asking, why is my dog doing this? You start asking, what role am I playing right now? So how do you become the right figure in your dog's eyes? It's simpler than you think. Be consistent. Dogs learn through repetition. Same rules. Every day, stay calm and confident. Energy matters more than words. Your dog feels it. Reward the right behavior, don't just punish. Mistakes guide them towards success. Set clear boundaries. Freedom comes after structure, not before. Spend quality time, play, walk, train. Build connection, not just control. Do this consistently, and your dog will naturally start seeing you as a trusted leader they love and follow. So the next time your dog looks at you, remember, they're not seeing a human. They're seeing a role, a protector, a guide, a member of their pack. And the way you act determines exactly which one. Now I want to ask you something. What do you think your dog sees you as right now? A leader? A parent? Or just a companion? Let me know in the comments, because your answer might reveal more about your dog than you ever expected.